This is my advanced drop line. Today I want to do two things with this. I want to stick a sign at the start of the line so that people know where they're going and what they're getting into. Also, I want to change this U-shaped berm that I've got at the end of the line into an S-shaped berm with a little jump in the middle of it. I think this will be a lot more fun and exciting at the end of the line, and it'll be a freaking awesome build to do. So yeah, let's get to it.
Think that's what's on my mind. I don't think that that's what's on my mind. I think you think I was lying. I don't think so, but if you think so, I'm lying. Once we begin, I can't begin to remember what I meant to tell you. Yeah, Mexico, thank you for joys. Sometimes I just can't believe the things they ask a man to do, like putting up with the tomcats screaming out my window as I dream of you, like your lover's brother spying on us as we cycle through the night. The minute I get my first taste of light. Once we dig in, I can't begin to remember what I meant to tell you. Yeah, Mexico, thank you for joy.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think this line should be rated. Should it be intermediate, a beginner line, or maybe a black diamond? Yeah, let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you next build.